like deja vu all over again. Snow, watches, warnings, and of course that darn polar vortex that is just coming back to annoy us again.
What a winter. I mean, we're spring.
It has certainly been a significant, it's made an impression. Like some winters kind of go by and you're like, what was that? I do like a little snow, but.
Yeah, it's that winter of old days that our parents talk about.
Right.
They had to walk uphill to school both ways. Yeah, that's right. We've got lake effect snow event heading towards the area. We highlighted it last week. The winds and everything kind of coming together in just kind of the right way to form quite a significant lake effect snow event. And certainly the latest computer models are verifying that. We're seeing it take place as we speak right now. And the reason why, Arctic air that's been locked up in Canada over the weekend. We had a beautiful day on Sunday. Well, that air is heading right back into the region. As that air sinks south, it's turning the winds off the lake, and we've got a lot of convergence. So they are kind of going together at the lake, helping to form clouds, and we are going to see quite a significant event in those areas that it falls. So first of all, we've got the deep kind of thick cloud cover across the area today, kind of a gloomy Monday outside. If it wasn't Monday, it'd be a great day, but yeah, it was Monday on top of that. And you can see with this Arctic front, we've got it's sinking south across the area as we speak. I'll show you the wind directions in a second. Certainly a key for where this front is. And we've got just, we call this a subnoctic, I can't even say it right now. What? It's Monday. Yay, everybody. Sorry. Kristen, I'm going to test you on that one later. All right, forget it. Everyone's going to get snow here over the next several hours as this general snowfall, we'll just say it like that, is going to come over the area. This isn't the big show. The big show forms later tonight. You can see here we've got snowfall now across the northern tier of Lake and Porter counties. Just a light snowfall at that, but it is going to coat the roadway, so things will turn a little tricky here this evening as this will generally come across all of northwest Indiana. But it's behind that what happens when we have this lake effect snow plume develop. And I want to show you now, these winds are key. The direction is key. This front sinks further to the south, and we've had over the last 24 hours a change in computer models. Instead of a northerly wind, which brings snow into all of our counties, it's becoming a little bit more northeasterly now as this low pressure is deepening a little bit more than originally expected. So more of a northeasterly wind brings that heavy snow band once it develops later tonight into mainly Cook and northeastern Lake counties. But what's going to happen during the day tomorrow, we'll watch the snow band kind of wiggle around, and then eventually it'll start to turn more northerly. So I think Lake and Porter counties around noon tomorrow, and then eventually tomorrow night it'll head on off to the east, and I think Porter and LaPorte counties later. So if you're watching us tonight from Porter and LaPorte counties, you're just under the lake effect snow watch, you're saying, oh, what happened? Are we going to miss this? Well, it's just going to be a little bit later of an arrival for you, and it's really going to start in Lake and even Cook counties up towards Chicago. But notice, by tomorrow night, high pressure builds in, winds lessen up, and the snow band, our computer model, indicating it's going to go away before we bring in our next weather player, which is yet another clipper system across the area. So how much snow is going to fall? This is our in-house model. I don't necessarily totally agree with this, but you can see the general trend over the next 24 hours. Lake County getting blasted with this here, half a foot of snow. Maybe half a foot over in areas of Porter County, a little less in LaPorte County. And this goes all the way down to areas of Newton and Jasper County as well. And I think what we can do to this map, we can highlight mainly Lake County heading up to northeastern Porter County. I think 8 to 12, maybe more inches. What's going to happen with a snow band, it's going to meander around. You get underneath this thing, 2-3 inches of snow per hour, not out of the question. So again, if it lays over your area for a certain amount of time, it's certainly going to pile up in a hurry. But the good news is it is going to be quick moving. It's not going to rest in a certain area like we were thinking. All of your updates, get on Facebook, add us, LNT Weather and Lakeshore News Tonight. We'll have updates all evening long. Now the other story, the cold, the extreme cold setting in. Here's your temperature changes over 24 hours ago. That puts us right around 30 now. But that wind direction you can see has changed off to the north here, off to the north, still out of the west down to the south, and eventually that's going to bring our wind chills from where they're at to below zero tomorrow morning, and by afternoon, oh, they're going to be well below zero heading into tomorrow evening. Overnight tonight, snow squalls likely mainly Lake County heading up to Cook County near Chicago, and then that snow band going to meander across the area tomorrow. I think, again, half a foot or more potentially across most of northwest Indiana before it's all said and done. And then we've got more snow, even lake effect snow in the forecast this week, Kristen, so buckle up.
I wanted to ask you to say that thing again.
No.
Because we both have mush mouth and we're both gigglers.
It is mush mouth day.
It's just better off that we don't.
For news.
Still to come on Lakeshore News tonight, major changes coming to the Indiana football coaching staff. Joe's up next with sports.